Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. We are back with another video. In this video, we will learn and practically see the vulnerability which is insecure direct object references IDOR, and we will see how we can perform, how we can practice, and how we can find out that vulnerability through practical exercises. So we will first of all we will open the terminal. Click on the terminal, and from terminal you need to open your bob suit. And I have given a command for opening bob suit. Bob We are opening bob suit for the purpose that we will open a browser through bob suit, and in that browser we will perform all the functions of IDOR, insecure direct object referencing. So as you can see that we have started the bob suit, and in this bob suit we will see each and everything practically by accessing the lab through one of the official website for which is Ports Figure, and it has provided us with the labs where we can perform different types of vulnerabilities. And in this video, we will particularly see that insecure direct object referencing vulnerability, which is also known as IDOR. So, as you can see that we have opened our Bob suite, and now we need to open it in browser. So we will open it in browser, and after opening it will take some time as we have successfully opened this in browser. Here you can see that what we need to search is IDOR ports figure. We need to search IDOR ports figure, and by searching that you can see that we have that interface. Let me increase size. Here you can see that we have this interface. What we need to do, click on this insecure direct object references, which is also known as IDOR. This is one of the very interesting vulnerability, and after watching this video you will find out that why I am saying this. So first of all we need to login. For login, this is the free account. You can also make your free account by following the simple guideline. As I'm going to put my email, and I'm going to put my password, and I'm going to log in. And I think so this is we are having a problem in login. This we will try again. And we have a problem in login. What we do, we forgot our password, and by forgetting our password, what you need to do, you need to simply create your account and log in. And we are going to forget our password. You can switch the video. We are going to forget our password, and you need to get this password as early as you can. So we are going to access the password, and here you can see that we are officially redirected to the email where we have that link, so that we can update our password. You can move forward to that part of video where we are officially logged in into Portfigure account. It is taking some time, but we will see that how worth taking it is to access this lab which is available on Portfigure. What we need to do, we need to open the email, and we need to copy that link, and we need to come back here, and we need to go here, and we need to paste that link, and we need to access this through this link, and then we are going to retrieve our password, and I am going to copy password, and I am going to I'm going to log in through this password. So what I need to do, I need to put email and my password which I have got recently. So here you can see that it will successfully logged in, and we are successfully logged in into our Ports Trigger account. So the process, the main work starts from now. What you need to do, you need to click on Academy, and after clicking on the Academy, you will see that you have a dashboard. You can see that latest topics, all content, hall of fame. What you need to do, click on all content and all labs, and it is here, all labs. And here in all labs you need to find access control vulnerabilities. Is in the left side of the your laptop, you can find access control vulnerabilities. Click on this, and here you will find insecure. Here I'm gonna show you. Yeah, here you can find insecure direct object references. As I have already solved this, but I will solve it again for you. So you need to click on this insecure direct references, and here you can see that we have all the instructions. This is one of the best practical lab you can ever access. Here you can read that this lab stores user chat logs directly on the server file system and retrieves them using static URLs. Solve the lab by finding the password for the user. We have the username. This lab has given us a task that we have a username which is Carlos, and we need to find the password for this username. So what we gonna do, I'm going to teach you the procedure. Access the lab. What we gonna do is uh, you will find this thing interesting. We will open our bug suit along with this. Here you can see that we have opened our bug suit along with this. We will see and run both of them side by side, and here you can see that. Let me make it perfect. Okay, so we have this bob suit and we have this our lab. Okay, so after accessing the lab, it will redirect you at this page. Here you can see that you have this page. You can click on this. Here you will find all the details about this product, which is sprout more brain powder. You will see all the details, and you will come back, and here you can see three sections. One is home. Let me show you. Clicking on this, and the second option we have is my account, and the third option is we have live chat. So here, after clicking on my account, you will find login. You need to add username, as we have username Carlos, but we don't have that password to login. What we need to do, we will go here at live chat. Once we are directed here in live chat, here you need to do, here comes the point. What you need to do, here you need to start. First of all, at the bubsuit, you need to open your interception. If you don't have any idea about bubsuit, I've already made some videos. You can go and watch that video so that you can have idea about bubsuit. So we need to click on interception. Interception is on, and then we need to type a message hi, and our message will not be directed until we will forward it. Here you can see that we have our message hi. We will forward it, and here you can see that our message has been forwarded. So we need to click on forwarding the details, and we have this message. Did you go to school? And we need to chat with this. This chat is not crucial, but we need to gather some data. Did you go to school or have just forgotten something? I don't. I don't understand what are you saying. This chat is just, you can say that we are fulfilling the formality. This chat has nothing to do with our task, but we need to gather some data in order to manipulate this AI. So we will click on this, we will forward our request, and we will forward the request. And he has sent us a message: I heard you the first time, I just can't be bothered to answer you. What I need to do, I need to click okay, I am out. You can write any message, and you need to click on send. You need to forward, forward. And what you need to do, you need to view, click on view transcript. And after view transcript, you will see that yes, we have a transcript. Yes, we have our official detail. After clicking on the forward, you have this type of interface. What we need to do, we need to click on this and send this into repeater, and we need to off the interception. We have finally forwarded our command into repeater, and here we have that username Carlos, and we need to find the password. Here you can see that we have, in the first line you can see that we have transcript 2.txt. What we need to do, we need to change this text. Here you can see that first of all we will see response for this. Here you can see that we have this response, and here you can see that we have all the details, we have chatted with that. This is our txt id. So what we need to do, we need to click on this 2, and we will change it into 3. Let me see what will happen next. You can see that this is bad request. We cannot find anything at 3.txt file. We will change it to 4. We will see this is also a bad request. We will change it into 5. You will see this is also a bad request. You need to find some requests so that you can find all the details. Let me see you. I will do it 1, and after doing 1, here you can see that we have finally have that status 200. Okay, as you, if you remember, we have 2.txt file which we have downloaded by chatting at with that AI, and we have changed that txt file and we have made it 1.txt file, and we have got these details. Let me see these details. Here you can see that the person who was discussing with a helpline, he find out that he was asking AI that I have forgotten my password and need confirmation that I have got the right one. Okay, so they have discussed with chat, and here you can see that my password is, here you will find the password, and yes, it is. What you need to do, you need to copy this password, and you need to come here, and you need to come here and my account, as we have already have that username which is Carlos. Here we have that username which is Carlos, and we have that password. Here we can see that, and we will click on login. Here you can see that congratulations, you solved the lab. Your username is Carlos. We finally logged in. Here you can see that we can log out. We finally logged in by just using the username, and we find out the password by doing our IDOR, which is insecure direct object references. So if you find the right password, it will show you the lab is solved. So I hope so you find this interesting. The point of the point in all the video is that by changing one point, as you have seen that we have just changed 2.txt to 1.txt after 3 or 4 unsuccessful attempts, we have finally we have finally find out the password for that username Carlos, and we have find out that password, and we have put that password and username, and we have successfully logged in into the account of Carlos. So this is all about insecure direct object references, and also known as IDOR. And this is the best example a repeater tab in Bob suite can show you. You can see that we have find out all the password and all the details, and this will give you a sense of satisfaction. I hope so you have learned something new, and you will never forget the concept of insecure direct object references. And this is one of the most prevailing vulnerabilities in websites or in that systems, and we can find out that vulnerabilities after many attempts, or sometimes in the first attempt, or sometime in the thousands of attempts. So this is all about today's videos. If you think you have learned something new by watching this video, you can click on the like button. If you think you have any suggestion, you can put your suggestion in comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button so that you can never miss my any upcoming videos. And this video is purely for educational purposes. We have no bad intentions. We are working to make a world a better place again. So keep working with me and join my team so that we can make a world a better place again. So this is all about today's videos. If you have any suggestion, you can comment your suggestion. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.